Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today you're not seeing my face and I'm not doing makeup. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my nails. I have been asking you what you want to see this new year and a lot of you said my nails, so I'm bringing you how I do my nails, my dip powder with a nail design. For this design I was inspired by nail art by Queenie and her designs are amazing, so let's get into it. I'm really excited to show you how I do my nails. First I'm going to apply some Bond onto my nail. That's going to help dehydrate my nail and remove all the oil. And then just taking a piece of paper towel and just wiping that off. I'm going to be using one of my favorite nudes. This is the Red Carpet Color Dip in Contract Please. I'm going to apply a thin layer base coat. And then I'm going to quickly dip it at a 45-degree angle into the powder. Now let's just dust off the excess powder. And we're going to repeat those same exact steps. So you can see that my powder is kind of running out just because I really like this powder. So I kind of just tip the jar over and then press my nail lightly just to make sure that the entire nail is coated. Then brush off the excess and then repeating this one last time. Just tap the top of my finger just to remove the excess powder. And if any gets onto your cuticle, then just wipe that away. And now let's brush that off. And then I'm going to apply my activator on top. That's going to help harden and set the powder. Now I'm going to start shaping my nail. I like to start off with the sides first. And then I'm just going to file the top. And then I switch over to a less coarse filer and I'm going to start shaping the top of my nail. And I concentrate mostly on the cuticle part just so it's not bumpy and it has a nice smooth finish by the cuticle. Now that I shaped my nail, I'm going to apply some activator one more time just to seal everything in. And usually right now would be the step that you would wipe the activator off and then apply top coat. But I'm going to be showing you how I do my nail designs with dip powder, so we're not going to apply top coat. I am going to wipe off the activator. For my design, I'm going to be using acrylic. So first I'm going to go into white and then black. So I'm going to create these kind of swoops on my nail. So I'm going to show you how I do it on my pointer. I have a bunch of these little disposable brushes and they're really thin and that's what I'm going to use to create the design. I just roll my brush around in the acrylic paint and then I kind of just wipe off the excess on the side. This is actually just a bottle cap, so you can really just use anything to dip in your acrylic. So I'm just going to create a little swoosh. Once that dries down, I'm going to reapply it over top to really intensify that and make sure it's not patchy. And then on the corner of my nail, I'm going to use the white to create a half moon. And once that sets, let's reapply it over top to make it nice and opaque. I find that with designs, whether it's acrylic or nail polish, gel top doesn't really cure the entire nail and doesn't set. So I like to use a UV gel top just because it locks in the entire design and adds a really beautiful shine. And now I'm going to cure my nail. I'm now just going to add a little bit of vitamin E oil to my cuticles. Rub that in. And that is it. Here is how I do my dip powder with a nail design. Look at that beautiful shine. I love how they turned out. You know I love a nice black and white nail design. So let me know down in the comments if you like this video and if you guys would try out this design. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I will have that link down below in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!